So they know I did it here today on this truck. We'll insert this.
Weld looks good.
Absolutely. All right, guys, we're on to the next one. Literally got to go across the state. See you on the other side. The serial numbers.
So you know what you did.
Well, so they know I did it here today on this truck. You're the customer, and this is tracked from the manufacturer all the way to you.
Cool.
So it's not a fly-by-night operation.
No, I researched this before I did anything.
All right, here we got a 2005 Chevy 3500. You can kind of see the threads all dinged up, and so we're gonna cut this one off, machine it, and weld it and replace it. So we'll bring you back here in a little bit. All right, now that we have the tube machined, prepped, and ready to go, we got our spindle, brand new spindle, with our serial numbers, ready to go. So we'll insert this in there, check our measurement, and weld it out. Bring you back when that's done. All right, now we're back from after doing a little bit of prep work and some welding. This is what we end up with. Now, as stated before, even the little trucks like this is Chevy 3500, it comes with the serial numbers and all that stuff, so it can be tracked. So what do you think about our work now?
Looks good. Find out when I start rolling. As long as it ain't leaking, I'm good to go.
It ain't gonna leak.
There you go. Weld looks good.
Absolutely.
Tell us, you used another company around here before, the store you told us earlier?
Yeah, you want something to fall off when you're driving, call them. I don't want to mention their name. I don't want to be. They welded on one of my mini wheelers. I think it was like 4 weeks later, the two front wheels and axle just went down the road. Yeah, that was not pretty. But I actually got your number because I looked them up and put not down. Worked out well.